Looking for the best grout cleaners that actually work? Our channel shares quality product videos daily to help you make smarter choices. Watch till the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful reviews. Number 1. Stardrops. The Pink Stuff. The Pink Stuff's Stardrops paste can be used to clean just about anything. We've used it on our dirty countertops, greasy cookware, chrome fixtures, and of course, our grimy grout lines. For a multi-purpose paste that costs only $6 and is extremely effective, it's a great value pick. For this specific grout test, we decided to use the paste on the tile floor of our most used bathroom. Just to set the scene for you, the tile has been installed since the house was first built in the 1980s. The paste didn't necessarily lighten the grout a ton, but it did pick up the grime and dirt with every scrub. We even noticed its original pink hue starting to turn brown, which was a sign that the paste works. And the best part is, unlike a spray, it doesn't take a lot of product to be effective. A little goes a long way. Number 2. Wet and Forget Shower Weekly Shower Cleaner. The name speaks for itself. Wet and forget. You simply coat your shower with this spray, leave it there to soak up all the dirt and grime, then rinse with water the next day, or in 4 hours like we did. In our experience, this product works great to maintain clean grout. It shows signs of getting surface dirt and soap scum off of the tile and grout, but it's not reliable for heavy-duty cleaning sessions. It's definitely not a fast-acting formula, so it may not be ideal if your guests are en route. However, we love that there's no scrubbing required. The only finger you have to lift is the one around the sprayer's trigger. Wet and Forget Shower will help keep hard water stains or calcium deposits at bay when used weekly. May need a pre-cleaning for severe cases of calcium buildup. Number 3. Zep Grout Cleaner and Brightener. For neglected grout and heavy grime, consider Zep's Grout Cleaner and Brightener. This heavy-duty solution cleans our grout like the professionals. Our once dingy and dull shower grout and dark and discolored kitchen tile are now sparkly and back to their original hue. Forewarning, it may take a few applications before you see jaw-dropping results. Now, since this is a professional-grade acid-based cleanser, it comes with numerous safety warnings. You'll definitely need a pair of cleaning gloves. For those with scent sensitivities, opening a window or turning on a fan may be beneficial. The minty scent can be too harsh for some. Zep Grout Cleaner and Brightener is a very strong acid product. Keep out of reach of children. Keep children off the surface and out of the area during use. Number 4. Better Life Natural Tub and Tile Cleaner. Whether you're looking for a grout cleaner that won't flare up with sensitivities, or you're wanting to incorporate more gentle formulas in your cleaning stash, the Better Life Natural Cleaner is an excellent option for the task. This bathroom cleaner is formulated without any alcohol, petroleum-based solvents, chlorine, or bleach. Instead, using essential oils, coconut, and corn. Even with these gentle ingredients, our grout stains using just one layer of spray and one pass with the scrubbing brush. We will note that the initial spray can be a bit messy due to the concentrated linear stream mixing and spreading stains to surrounding areas, but everything was dry and sparkling clean within a few wipes. A multi-purpose shower spray that works wonders on tile, grout, fixtures, sinks, toilet seats, bathtubs, even on your shower's walls, doors, and curtains. Number 5. Barkeeper's Friend All-Purpose Power Cream. Barkeeper's Friend is a familiar brand at the Spruce. We love using their stainless steel cleaner on our fridge and their soft cleanser for hard water stains. The all-purpose power cream features a bleach-free formula that's a bit too gentle for old, stained grout, but is ideal for light-duty maintenance. Our editor tested the all-purpose cream on her heavily stained grout, but it was evident that the cleaner excelled at lifting the dirt and grime off her tile flooring, but it didn't lighten the grout color. While this is a cream-based cleaner, its texture is very liquid, and it becomes quite messy, making it difficult to control your pour on the sponge. But the application is pretty seamless. After applying the cream on a damp sponge or cloth, scrub it into the grout, rinse, and then dry it clean. The Barkeeper's Friend Soft Cleanser is another cleaner we love using on the grout in our shower. It not only removes mold, but also brightens our grout.